Hey, how good you guys? In this video, I'm talking about the
Top 3 Python GUI frameworks available.
basically there are a lot of Python GUI frameworks available for making a Python graphical user interface.
But I have chosen the top 3 depending on the popularity in the market.
Graphical user interface or GUI is a user interface that allows user to interact with electronic devices through graphical icons or visual indications. That's the technical term. Let's know in common sense what a GUI is. Whenever you start programming or you do something new with any language, the first thing you encounter is an interpreter or a compiler. So if you're working with Python, then you are using Sublime Text or PyCharm, maybe. Or if you're working with C or C++, then you are familiar with Turbo C or Dev C++. These are the different compilers that are available. But what are the compilers? They are actually a graphical user interface or GUI for you to use them, to learn the program. Yeah, you can see that whenever you do an error, it gives you prompts, or whenever you are not correct, or maybe you you missed something while writing the code, they will give you the prompt. That's the work of the graphical user interface. Someone designed that interface for you for your help while learning, or maybe you are using whatever famous application on your phone, maybe a app on your phone. That's again a graphical user interface. So let's talk about the top 5 graphical user interfaces. The first one on the list is Tkinter. I don't know, it's Tkinter or Kinter. I suppose the T is silent here. But what is Tkinter? It is one of the most commonly used Python GUI interface. Why it is most commonly used? The main reason that I think is that it is shipped with Python. Whenever you install Python, you get Tkinter automatically installed, and you can use it whenever you like. You don't need any additional file for the basic implementation of Tkinter. Moreover, Python along with Tkinter forms the fast and easy way to create GUI application. Tkinter is part of the TKGUI toolkit, and it provides an object-oriented interface to the TKGUI toolkit. That's how it becomes an important part of the Python GUI toolkit. Let's see an Hello World example on Tkinter. Every programming languages or UI toolkit must have a Hello World example. Okay, I think that becomes interesting. So let's see what is the Hello World example.
Here is a Python Hello World example. Obviously a compulsory Hello World for every language or every UI toolkit. So let's run this code and see how this runs. Control V. Look, this pops up a new pop-up window. Like this opens up a new pop-up window. Here you can see Hello World, click me. It does nothing actually. Whenever you click there, it prints hi there everyone. And there is another button for there, that's quit. It's a simple program. It's nothing is done here. Only it prints hi there everyone. And whenever you click on the Hello World.
The next one on the list is WX Python. WX Python is a Python wrapper from WX widgets, which is actually written in C++, thus becoming one of the popular cross-platform Python GUI toolkit. It is implemented in Python as an extension module. You can download WX Python from the site. The link is in the description below. The third one in the option is Kiwi. Kiwi is an open source cross-platform multi-touch application for Python. It is the only alternative for writing Python in mobile application. Its speed is comparable to the native mobile alternatives like Java for Android or Objective-C for iOS. The main aim that was kept in mind while developing Kiwi was to use the same code on multiple platforms, to use Python on mobile applications. That was the basic reason for using Kiwi.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you guys like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with all of your friends. This is Shagnik signing off.